Hello my little gems, and welcome back to my channel. So I've done as I said I will do, and I've gone ahead and ordered myself a Artdot diamond painting just to see what they're like. So I was really curious to see what the canvas is like, the prints like, and everything else. So yeah, I'm really curious to see what they were going to be like. So they come in a very sturdy, and I mean, I'm pushing hard and it's not bending, but I'm sure with enough pressure it will bend. All the instructions on the side. You can see what I've ordered. There was 2 designs on Amazon, and I went for the rose. There's also a butterfly one. Well, there is actually 4 on Amazon. There's a smaller version of the rose, the bigger version of the rose, the smaller version of the butterflies, and the bigger version of the butterflies. So yeah, there is 4 to choose from on the on Amazon. So yeah, let's get this open. This was £12 odd, so not a bad price really. And the butterfly, oops. The butterfly one is bigger than this one for the same price. But I thought that one looked like it was quite a bit confetti in it. And I thought time-wise, this would be better for me. So yeah, I thought that I would everything in the bag. Right, so this is everything we get. So we have got our toolkit first of all. So again, we get our blue tray. That feels a bit better. I just felt like I feel like I'm really far, which I am. I'm like really far away from the camera. So we get our blue tray, and we get a blue pen and 3 multi-placer. We get a washi tape in this, which is very nice. So I'm excited to try that. Blue grip. Blue wax of heart wax, and another tray. Oh, another tray. Very nice little surprise. We get 2 little freestyle projects. So with our leftovers, we got another project. That is a very nice little hint, little extra. Right, I'm just gonna go and grab the other tray of this. It'll be 2 seconds. Another blue, we get our blue tray, which I went ahead and grabbed my other one. There we go. So they slide in together like so. And that way, if you use loads of different colours at once, you've got all these trays, which I think is a very good idea. And also, let me try and pull that back out. They also stack inside each other. How clever is that? I have to say, I'm pretty impressed by their trays. And I'll just show you, here you go, the other way too. And of course, they will fit in both ways. Like so. So yeah, really am impressed with their trays. Nice little trays, I have to say. And there's the spouts. And then we get our 2 little freestyle projects, which I think is a very, very nice little touch. If I have to say so myself, you know, get another project with your kit. I've never seen that before in my life. So I have to say I'm very, very impressed with that. So we get a donut and an ice lolly. And yeah, so really impressed with the fact that you get another little kit with your kit. And these are stickers, so yeah, I'm really impressed with that. What you get with this little kit. So let's put them over there. So the canvas, let's quickly go to the canvas. Ooh. And we get another, and we also get our sticker sheet. I'm so impressed. They're very nice stickers. They feel very nice. This is an actual sticker that will peel off. And then all these are stickers. And it might look like we've got some ABs in this too. Yeah, I am actually very, very impressed so far. Really impressed, you know. I love it when you get sticker sheets because it makes life so much easier. It really does. So, yeah. And I've just realised on the freestyle project, which I've done just before, there's symbol in the middle here. Choose any colour you want. It's actually their logo. I wonder how many people spotted that before. Very, very impressed. So yeah, the canvas is gorgeous. I have to say so myself. It is a nice soft back. It is poured blue. Very nice sticky canvas. That is an absolute gorgeous print. I have to say so myself. I will hold it up to the camera. I can see absolutely every single symbol. Extremely clear. Oh, I just want to stress, this is not paid for by Artdot for me to do whatsoever. This is... I bought this off my own back from Amazon. But yeah, that is an absolute gorgeous print. That really is. I have to say so myself. Really is a gorgeous print from Artdot. I'm interested to know if they actually do square drills. I'm going to have to see if they've got a website. What if it says on here they've got a website? No, on the box. Let's have a look. Yes. Artdot.com. And they've even got the email address on there as well. So yeah, I'm going to be checking out the website, I think. I'm curious to see what their squares are like too. And again, the only thing I feel that they are missing is baggies. Because of course these come in the baggies you can't reseal. So I think that, you know, sticking in a wad of baggies would just put this kit completely up there. I think, you know, I know a lot of us do have baggies and everything. But for a beginner, like if you think, oh, I'm going to be brave and go for this kit, I think you want to have some baggies in the thing. So let's have a look. So in this we have 39 colours, which is a lot. I have to say, I'm actually impressed on how many colours there are. Really am impressed. So we have lots of 939s. Right. We've got pinks, we've got browns, we've got blues, purple, very dark red, yellows. Right, we've got our first AB. And I've never seen that one in being AB before. And that's quite interesting to see. They've chosen a completely different colour than a lot of people. But I reckon that'll look very, very pretty on the canvas in an AB. Pink, purple, green, another dark blue, yellow AB. And they look very, very nice indeed. I hope I'm in shot. I can't even see. My shot. There we go. Brown. Let me go back just in case I wasn't in shot for that. It's like a burnt orange colour, I'd say. In those ABs. The pink, purple, very vibrant colours. And that's our yellow. Brown, purple, blue. And then we have one more row of colours. We've got pink, another orange, green, 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 darker colour, brown, orange, orange, green, green, blue, another AB, which is a blue AB this time. Pink, we've got a very dark brown, pink, and white. So yeah, it looks absolutely stunning. I have to say so myself. I'd never tried an Artdot canvas before. Obviously, I just tried the little stickers and I'm really impressed with them. And so, yeah, once I finish my current one, I will go on to this one next because I think it'd be quite interesting to see what Artdot are like, how they stick, how they pick up completely, you know, the whole kitting up process with the stickers, do the sticker stick and everything else. And I like the fact that they have shown where the you know, exactly which ones are the ABs. So yeah, I am actually really impressed so far with the quality of this kit from Artdot. And yeah, so keep following along and we will, once I finish my Break the Silence, I'm going to be going on to this one because I'm really curious to see how it comes out because it does look, to me, it looks absolutely stunning. And yeah, I'm going to be going on their website and seeing what else they have because I am curious, you know, I'm not afraid to try different sellers and everything else. So yeah, really impressed. So, and it says friendly and hassle-free customer service as well. So yeah, really impressed so far. So I'm interested to see how this turns out. And I will be going onto the website to check out to see if they do square drawers as well. And if so, I might put in a sneaky little order on payday. And that was going to keep me stocked up for a while on diamond painting kits. So I need to stop ordering. But I've still got 3 of others that I brought. And then I've got another one on the way. And I'm just placing another order. So yeah, I need to calm down a little bit. But I can't. I put myself a little bit of money to the side each month to be able to afford, you know, some kits. So, and each month depends on the kit is how much I spend. So yeah, but yeah, really impressed with this. So I'm going to be checking out the website and I am so impressed on how it looks so far. So that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Comment down below what you think of Artdot. If you tried Artdot before, how you found them and everything else. I know everyone buys their storage containers and everything. So yeah, I had they did say they were going to send me them like donkeys ago, but they just never arrived. They just kept saying they're out of stock. So, which is fine, you know, because obviously it happens and everything, but it just never turned up for me and Louise and Crazy Borgies. So, but I still wanted to give them a go. So I paid for the product myself and everything. And I have to say, so far, I'm really impressed with it. I'm absolutely really impressed with how this looks so far. And you get a lot of colours with this for 39 colours for, oh, I forgot to say the size, didn't I? 50 by 35 centimetres. And it's the actual drill area, is that. So, yeah. So I have to say, I'm actually really impressed. So I'm looking forward to see how this comes out. And so, yeah, come back in another video once I've finished Break the Silence. to see how I get along with this. All right, so thank you ever so much for watching, and I shall see you all next time. Bye everyone.